My name's Alex with 5 Star Chimney Repair here. Today we are in Southwest Portland. Um, we are here at this house where they have just a regular chimney with brick and everything. What we came out here to do was wrap it in stone. We have culture stone here, river rock culture stone. They're kind of made just like brick. They go into a form. It's artificial rock painted on the front. And so what we gotta do here is we gotta wrap the whole chimney in some wire mesh and then give it a scratch coat, vertical scratch coat, so that we could then butter the back of the stone and just slap it on there. Alright. What it'll do is it'll give this house more of a beach vibe. I see they got some logs here on the front wall here, so the stone will go with the design of the house. And so yeah, we'll get that done today. We'll get some wiring up, and then we'll also get some scratch coating done. And we'll start to slap some stones on there tomorrow once it's fully dry. Alright, do it.